In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated email campaign with Klaviyo. If you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, this guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish, ensuring you make the most of Klaviyo's powerful features. First, let's begin by navigating to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page, which serves as the central hub for all your marketing activities. From here, you want to direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you'll see various options. Click on the Campaigns tab to start creating your email campaign. Once you're in the Campaigns section, look for a button labeled Create Campaign. This is your gateway to building a new email campaign. Clicking this button will prompt you to choose the type of campaign you want to create. Since we're focusing on email, select Single Channel. This option is perfect for straightforward email campaigns without the need for multi-channel integration. Next, click on Email to specify that your campaign will be conducted through email. This is where the magic happens, as Klaviyo will guide you through setting up your email content. After selecting Email, you'll see a Continue button. Click on this to proceed to the next stage of your campaign creation. Now it's time to choose your audience. Klaviyo allows you to target specific segments of your mailing list, which is crucial for personalized marketing. Click on the audience you want to send your campaign to. Be sure to select the appropriate segment that aligns with your campaign's objectives. For instance, you might want to target returning customers or new subscribers depending on your goals. After selecting your audience, it's time to refine your recipient list further. You'll want to ensure that only the relevant people receive your email, which can significantly improve your campaign's effectiveness. Klaviyo gives you the flexibility to select or deselect individuals as needed, ensuring precision in your targeting. With your audience set, click on Next. This will take you to the email setup stage. Here, you'll craft your email content. Make sure to tailor your message to suit your campaign's theme and objectives. Whether it's a promotional offer, a newsletter, or a product announcement, your email should resonate with your audience and encourage engagement. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated email campaign using Klaviyo. Remember, the key to a successful campaign is not just about sending emails, but sending the right emails to the right people. By leveraging Klaviyo's targeting and automation features, you can enhance your email marketing and achieve better results. Happy emailing!